Ah, another beautiful day at TLC. Hmm? Oh no, one of our units is scratched. A scratch? At TLC? No problem. At TLC, we understand that even the smallest scuff can ruin your dream aesthetic, and we aim to make sure that your vision is never compromised. When we come across a scratch on one of our signature rubberwood countertops, like the one on this kitchen buddy, we start by sanding the affected area with the appropriate grit sandpaper, working our way up depending on the severity of the scratch. In this case, we first used a 150 grit sandpaper to smooth out the countertop and remove the scratch itself. Then, moved on to a 320 grit sandpaper to make sure that even the smallest imperfections were gone. Once we're happy that the scratch is truly removed, we apply our high-quality oil-based wood stain to the whole countertop. The last thing we want is a dark spot on your furnishings. Once the entire countertop has a fresh stain coat and the unit is back up to TLC's quality standard, it's ready to ship to your home.